Hi, Max here from TW Sons Mazda, and today I'm here to show you our 2016 16 plate Mazda CX-5. This particular vehicle is the 2.2D 150 PS two-wheel drive SE-L Lux Nav Plus specification and is a diesel manual. It is in the black exterior colour with the stone leather interior. I will now give you a full walk around of the outside of the vehicle to show you its condition. I'll also then do a walkthrough of the inside as well. As you can see, the vehicle is in really lovely condition, as are the alloys. This particular vehicle is a two-owner vehicle and it has come into us by way of part exchange. The vehicle has got a full Mazda service history, which is really lovely to have on the vehicle. As we make our way to the rear of the vehicle, as you can see, it does have the rear parking sensors. If I just open up the boot, as you can see, really lovely sized boot on the Mazda CX-5. A lovely width and depth to the boot. Just on the side, you do have your quick drop down release for the rear seats, and it does have the 40-20-40 split for the rear seats. And as we make our way around to the other side of the vehicle, again, all in really lovely condition. This vehicle is due a service and due an MOT, so it will come with a fresh service and MOT included with the purchase price of the vehicle. It also comes with a 1-year Mazda warranty. And as we make our way back to the front of the vehicle, it does also have the front parking sensors as well as the rear. Now, if we just make our way to the inside of the vehicle, as I mentioned earlier, it does feature the stone leather interior, which again is all in really superb condition. You do also have the folding centre armrest with your two rear cup holders. Now, as we make our way to the front of the vehicle, just on the driver's side door, you do have your electric adjustments for the wing mirrors, and you do have your electrically adjusted front seat with memory saving options as well. Now, if I just step into the vehicle, it is a keyless start, so with your foot all the way down on the clutch, just press and release the stop start button, which will turn the vehicle on. As you can see, this vehicle has done 80,691 miles. Just on the right hand side of the steering wheel, you do have your cruise control, and on the left hand side you do have your volume controls and your Bluetooth wireless cooling. On the left hand stalk, you do have your automatic lights, and on the right hand side your automatic windscreen wipers. As we make our way to the centre of the vehicle, just in the centre armrest here, you do have this little removable compartment and extra space underneath. You have your two front cup holders. Then we make our way up to the controls for the infotainment system. So the infotainment system all controlled via this middle dial, and you do have your kind of system quick transaction buttons as well, the volume control down here as well, and your electric parking brake. It works just like a normal parking brake. You push it down to release it and pull it up to put it on. This particular vehicle is a 6-speed manual. You have your two USB charging ports. As we make our way up, you do have your climate control, which is also dual, so if you were to press this button in here, it would mean that this dial on the right hand side will control the temperature for the two driver side, vents, and the one on the left will control the temperature for the 2 passenger vents, or if you switch that off, the dial here will control all 4. The plus and minus here will control how much it blows out, and then the little arrow on the right hand side will control where it comes out of. And just up here you do also have the AC for the vehicle as well. As you make your way up to the top, you do have the onboard infotainment system for the vehicle. Really lovely infotainment system. First off, if we go into settings, this is where you're going to find various different settings for display, safety and sound. Then if you go onto communication, this is where you'll be able to connect your mobile device via Bluetooth for Bluetooth wireless calling and Bluetooth music. Then if we go along to entertainment, and if you click on the little music symbol down the bottom, you'll see you do have FM, AM and DAB radio options. Once you've selected your radio, you go onto the 3 little lines just to the side and you'll be able to select between all the different stations. Also, if you go back onto the little music symbol down the bottom, you'll see if you scroll down, you do have the option for Bluetooth. Once you connect your mobile phone via the previous page, you will have the option to select that phone, and that's how you'll be able to play music via your phone. Lastly, if we go on to applications, this is where you find various kind of fuel economy monitoring and warning guidance for the vehicle. As you can see, if we click on here, it's letting you know that the vehicle is low on fuel. And if you just pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll see you do have the indication for the front and rear sensors as well. And for the overall front of the vehicle, again, all in really lovely condition. This vehicle does also have the sunroof. Just pull this down and you have the button just up the top here. If you push the button straight up, it will just slightly open it, whereas if you push the button backwards, that will fully open it, as you can see there. And again, just the overall inside of the vehicle, all in really superb condition. And you do also have your glove box as well. I will now just finish up outside the vehicle. So there we have it. That is our 2016 CX-5 2.2D SE-L Lux Nav Plus. If you would be interested in booking an appointment to come here and test drive the vehicle, then please do give us a call and we'll be happy to help.